Welcome back to my channel. This is the unboxing of the YSL Saint Laurent belt bag. I hauled this back all the way from Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, and let's unbox it together. I went back and forth if I was going to purchase this or not. I will be honest with you. The first time I just figured, no, I like my cow pack better, honestly, for functionality. Now, for like nice dressed up outfits, cow pack doesn't cut it. So I really wanted a dressy luxury belt bag. I love being able to have my arms free. If I am working, if I am in a situation where I'm working on a client in a high-end environment. So that way I look professional. I have everything at my fingertips. That's how I justified this purchase. Okay, so here we go. Nice size box. Okay, slide this out. Hold on. Okay, there's the logo. Very important. There's the size of the bag, of the sleeve. Is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? Oh my goodness. So here is the belt bag. It is so gorgeous. So it has a pebbled leather that is so pretty. And what I liked about this leather is that it's very durable. So it's not going to get super scratched up, I feel like, when I'm using it. It has it's very soft and supple, which I love. It's got a brushed gold tab here. It does say Saint Laurent Paris. The YSL is a brushed gold. So this is something that I noticed. I wanted it to be a shiny gold, but they don't make that. It's a brushed gold. Getting to the back side of it, there are no pockets here. It's just a seam here and your adjustable belt, brushed gold buckle in the back. So it's very, very, very simplistic. Let's look inside. Okay, so you have here your label. You've got, it's a single pocket right here, single pocket. Then on the other side, you have a few card slots. You've got 3. So as far as functionality, this is not the bag for functionality, okay? This is not what you're going for functionality. This is a statement bag. It is a great way to keep your, let's just put it on. This is a great way to have your essentials right here at your fingertips, and you can get right to it. Grab that. I will say I would enjoy, okay, so right here, I noticed this. I'm not a fan of that. It folds in, the zipper. So I can already tell you right now, I'm not a fan of that. It should be able to stand up on its own, but I guess that's because it's leather. I would prefer a dual zipper so that I would have one on each side. I do feel like when I'm reaching for this, things are gonna fall out. I already feel that way. I am just used to a more functional belt bag, but again, this is fashion over function. So which do you want, fashion or function? I got this for a specific purpose, so I really do think that I will enjoy this. I think it goes with everything as well. So it is a great size. It's got a smooth zipper, I will say that. I do like that. That's super important. And it's so simple. It is a simple bag. What are your thoughts? Would you get the YSL bag? Would you get a different color? Do you like the black? Do you like the brushed gold? Let me know your thoughts. I cannot wait to hear what your thoughts are on the YSL belt bag. And we'll see you in the next video.